Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to film a get ready with me. I have an ugly sweater Christmas party at my job tonight, so I figured I was getting festive and getting ready anyway, so I might as well film it for you guys. For the eyeshadow, I used the new Kylie Cosmetics Chill Baby eyeshadow palette, and I think it came out really nicely, and I also popped on a classic red lip. So for my sweater, it's this really cute and warm sweater from Walmart. On the sleeves, it just has these cute snowmen and sunglasses. And this also came with matching pants that are exactly this print, and they are super warm. But my shirt is really warm too, and it just says up to Snow Good. And it has a really cute snowman with sunglasses again, and a really cute sequin scarf. So yes, I am aware that my sweater is not exactly ugly. I think it's kind of cute actually, but it's warm and it's a Christmas sweater, so who really cares? So anyways, if you guys would like to see how I got this really pretty eyeshadow look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm first going in with foundation, and this is my all-time favorite foundation at the moment. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation, and I mixed two shades together. I have F10, and I also mix it together with F11. So to blend out my foundation, I'm trying this new sponge, and this is from Real Techniques, and they have a regular beauty sponge which I've used for a while, but this is their new face and body sponge, and as you can see, it is so much bigger. I really like this sponge because it takes half the time to blend out my foundation while still looking flawless at the same time. For concealer, I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, and I am in the shade Medium. Okay, so I'm going to let the concealer sit on my face for a little bit, and I'm going to do my brows in the meantime, so I'll be right back. Okay, so brows are on, and now I'm going to blend out the concealer underneath my eyes, and I'm also going to carve out my brows just to make them look nice and perfect. To set my concealer, I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder, and this one is in the shade Banana. And I'm just taking this angled brush from Tarte and packing this right underneath my eyes. For eyeshadow, I'm using the new Chill Baby eyeshadow by Kylie Cosmetics. So I'm going to do something on the berry side just to kind of match my sweater. So the first color I'm going in with is called Bundle Up, and it's just this really nice cranberry color. And I'm going to pack this color into the crease with a tiny little pencil brush. And I'm just going to be a bit messy with this because I'm going to go in and blend it out with another brush. But for right now, I just really want to pack that color right into the crease. Then I'm taking this fluffy crease brush and just blending everything out. The next color I'm going in with is this really nice rosy pink color called Wrap It Up. And I'm going to take that right above that burgundy color so it fades really nicely. So I'm just popping this right above that color, just so it fades into that nice rosy pink color. It just really softens everything out. Alrighty, so I'm going back into this burgundy color, and I'm taking the crease brush this time. And now I'm just deepening up that color once again, just because this will really be the last time we can before we put all the lid colors on. So I'm just really making sure that this crease is well defined. So I'm going in with this Makeup Forever Quad, and it's just a bunch of creamy shades, and I'm going to go in with this concealer color first just to carve out my lid space. The next shade I'm taking is called Home Alone, and it's a really nice burgundy color, but it has a bunch of shimmer in it. And I'm just taking my finger and packing that where I put the concealer. So to make the lids just very sparkly and pretty, I'm going in with this Stila Metallic Liquid Eyeshadow. And I'm just going to apply this on my lid. So I'm taking the little wand and I'm just applying it kind of in the center. And then I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to pat it all over the lid. Just because I don't want to take anything away from that burgundy color we put on. I just want this to kind of be a topper. Yeah, that's really pretty. Alright, so I'm going to do the same exact thing to this eye. The shade of this is called Kitten Karma. And if you are going to get one of these, I highly suggest this shade. I think it's honestly the best one they have. It's just the prettiest. They have a rose gold one that's really pretty as well, but this one is just very eye-catching on its own. Alright, so this eye is dried down, so I'm going to take a little bit of liquid eyeliner and just wing out my eyes. I'm going to curl my lashes and apply mascara, and I use the Maybelline Falsies mascara. Gonna put on some mascara, but only on the top for right now because I need to finish my bottom lash line. So for the lower lash line, I'm going back in to Bundled Up, and I'm tracing this along my lower lash line. Then I'm going in with a fluffy brush and fluffing out my lower lash line so it's nice and soft. I'm going to add a little bit of black eyeliner pencil to my waterline. And I'm going to go back in with mascara and add some to my bottom lashes. Moving back to the face, I'm using this Too Faced face powder. And I'm just using this as my bronzer, so I'm putting a little bit in the cap. And then I'm just going to take a Morphe brush, swirl that around. And I'm just lightly bronzing up the face. Then I'm just taking this fluffy brush and blending it all out, just so everything looks nice and soft. So for highlight, I'm using the one that came with her collection. This is the Kylie Ultra Snow. It's called Ultra Snow instead of Ultra Glow. That's really cute. But this is in the shade Let It Glow, and the packaging is just super, super cute. So it just looks like a nice rose gold color. Ooh, it's very, very gold. I'm used to like a more champagne-y gold, and this is like a gold. That's nice though. Wow. It's just kind of naturally very pretty. I'm going to take a little bit on the tip of my finger. Ooh. Just put that right on the tip of my nose. Oh my god, that looks so pretty. I really, really like this highlight. And to finish this look, all we need is some nice bright red lips. So I'm going in with this color. This is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in the shade American Doll, and this is just one of the most perfect cherry red colors. When it comes to red, I am a matte girl all the way. I don't want to be messing around with anything slipping, sliding. I've tried glosses, I've tried velvets, creams, everything. They slide around and they start to look really, really bad. So when it comes to red, just always go with a matte liquid lipstick. That way you're sure that it's going to stay all day. You can eat, you can do whatever. It's not going to fade to an ugly pink. It's just going to be still there and still beautiful. So I'm just going to mute out my lips. I really want to do ASMR videos because I think I'd be really, really good at them, but we'll see. Okay, so alrighty, so I think that's it. I'm just going to give myself a final spray. Alright, so this is the finished look. I popped on my Santa hat just to be festive, and it kind of goes with the entire look, obviously. I really, really like the way my makeup turned out. You can never go wrong with a classic red lip, even if you were to just do some like winged eyeliner, some mascara. If you pop on a red lip, of course you will look very, very festive. As far as the eyeshadow palette goes, I really, really like this eyeshadow palette. I think the eyeshadows blend beautifully. You get a nice array of colors. I really want to try this nice emerald green color, but all of these are just so, so pretty, and they all work really, really well together. I've actually been using this palette all week. I've been going in with Bundled Up in the crease, just like I did on camera, and then I've been taking this really, really pretty color called Jingle Baby, and I've been putting that in the crease, not in the crease, putting Jingle Baby on the lid. And I've gotten so many compliments on my eyeshadow this week. People have been saying all week that my eyeshadow looks really, really good. So if you're thinking about buying this palette, I would definitely do it before she takes it away for the holiday season. So yes, that was all for this video. If you are not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I am going to New York in 4 days, and I'm going to vlog the whole entire thing, and I'm super, super excited. I haven't been away since September, so it's gonna be nice just to get out of town and go see all the Christmas lights and go skating at Rockefeller Center. So I'm super, super excited for that. So like I said, if you're not subscribed, be sure to, because that video will be very, very fun. Also, my Instagram, as always, is linked down below if you want to follow me on there. Sometimes I post pictures of my outfits and also some of my makeup looks. So anyways, that's everything for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.